Hey everyone, let's talk about cool pockets today. Here at Liberty Safe, we have a wonderful product to help you protect your documents and valuables inside your safe. Here, we have the Cool Pocket. Most Liberty safes come with a Cool Pocket pre-installed on the door panel. If your safe did not, or you'd like extra protection from fire, heat, and smoke, then purchasing additional Cool Pockets would be an excellent idea. The interior of the bag contains a proprietary heat shield material made from 70% fabric and 30% foil, each combined to slow the transfer of heat. That lining helps to keep the items inside up to 50 degrees cooler during a fire when kept inside your safe. Top that off with a smooth zipper and a protective Velcro flap, and you're going to be sitting pretty. Individual Cool Pockets are available on our website for purchase. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you later. Contains a proprietary, that's a hard word when you actually have to say it.